Hello everyone, welcome to this another video of Excel series. এইটো ভিডিঅ'ত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰি আছোঁ এক্সেলৰ বিভিন্ন টেক্সট ফাংচনছবোৰ। এইটো টপিক বহুত ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট হয় ফ্ৰম your exam point of view, and again, like if you are new to the channel, please do like, share and also subscribe. So without any delay, we will be starting with our topic. So first, টেক্সটবোৰ ফৰ্মেটিঙৰ ওপৰত। So টেক্সট ফৰ্মেটিঙৰ ওপৰত কিছুমান ফৰ্মুলা আছে এক্সেলত। They are upper, lower, proper and trim. Okay, let's see what upper does, what lower does, what proper does and what trim does. So upper কি কৰিব, কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিব upper কেছত। upper case means capitalize কৰি দিব। so আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে ইয়াতে capital and small everything আছে। so if I apply upper, everything will be converted into upper case. Similarly, we have lower, lower কি কৰিব, যদি ক্যাপিটালাইজড আছে সেইবোৰক লোৱাৰ কেছত কনভাৰ্ট কৰি দিব। so everything has been converted into lower case, মানে সৰু হাতৰ আকাৰত হৈ গৈছে। next thing we have proper. proper কি কৰে, every word or first character বোৰক capitalize কৰে। so what does that mean? so if I apply proper here, so আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে every word of first character, that is for considering mobile, so mobile of first character, that is M, is capital. Now another we have trim. so trim কি কৰিব, trim আপোনাৰ extra spaces বোৰ আঁতৰাই দিব, spaces and tabs. so আপোনালোকে চাব পাৰে ইয়াতে extra space আছে, extra space আছে। similarly we have extra spaces at the end, so everything has been removed by trim. so এই চাৰিটা important হয়, make sure you remember them. first one is upper, then we have lower, then we have proper, and the last one is trim. Now we'll move into the next, that is our right and left. so right and left কি কৰে, as the name suggests, right আপনাক from right number of characters দিব, similarly left will give number of characters from left. so what does that mean? so let's say এটা word আছে, for example, how are you doing? so এতিয়া as I said, right এ কি ল'ব, text and then number of characters. so let's say I give this as my text input, this as my text input, okay, and number of characters from right I want is 5. so if I give right text and 5, so এটা numbering to কি হ'ব, right side পৰা 5টা character দিব। so first character, so make sure যেতিয়াবা character কৈ আছে it include everything, it may be question mark, comma, full stop, everything, or it may be space, so everything will be included here. so from right side 5টা, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so এইটো হ'ল মোৰ 5টা character। so যেতিয়া মই ইয়াতে দিওঁ right text, comma 5, so it will return me OING with question mark. similarly if I give same thing, left text and then 5, so left side opera pasta character, so first character, second, third, so it will be first, second, third, then we have space, that is 4, and then 5. so the time I do data a pasta character read it. so what it will return how, then a space and then a, এটো আমার লেফটে রিটার্ন করিব। so let's see with the help of an example in our Excel itself. so if I give equals to right, then the text and then number of characters, let's say from right I want 1 2 3 4 5 6, let's say 6, so এটা দিলে কি পাই যাম আমি, পিন কোডটো পাই যাম। okay, so I guess there is some space, okay, as you can see there is some extra space, that thing also we need to take care. so আমি চাইছো স্পেস কেনেকৈ আঁতৰাব পাৰি আমি starting আৰু ending ৰ পৰা, for that we have trim, so I will include it in trim. so as you can see it's giving me the pin code. same মই গোটেইবোৰৰ কাৰণে কৰি দিম, ৰাইটৰ পৰা মই কেইটা লৈছো, 6টা লৈছো, বাট যোনটো টেক্সট আছে টেক্সটক মই ট্ৰিম কৰি দিছো, so that extra spaces বোৰ আঁতৰি যায়, আহি গ'ল। same goes from left, so if I give same thing, if I give left here, let's say left, then the text followed by number of character, আপোনালোকে চাব গোটেইবোৰ আগত name আছে, name consists of 4 character, so if I give 4, so you will see it will return me name. same if I make it 6 6 কি হবো 5 or আহি যাব 4 নেমৰ কাৰণে 4টা ক্যারেক্টার, then the fifth character will be space and the sixth character will be the starting char, that is নামৰ যোনটো starting letter হ'ব এইটো 6 character হৈ যাব. Let's see. Yes, name are same, গোটেইবোৰৰ কাৰণে আমি পাই যাম. So this is how right and left work. Now next thing is find. Find আমি use কৰো to search something within a text. So first thing, what it will return. So এবাৰ চাই লওঁ আমি find কি return কৰিব. So just giving you an example. So if I give find, so আপোনালোকে চাব ইয়াতে কি parameter li আছে, find text, within text and then start number. তিনিটা parameter find এ লৈ আছে. Let us see how find works first. So if I give find, so etu ki lobo, first to lobo, let's say so find will take first parameter lobo, what to find ki bisaru ami, then it will take where to find, position, let's say start position. So now etu junto hoy etu curly braces square braces thakibo. So square braces thaka mane etu optional parameter okay. Now how it works, let's say if I give find, I am searching for r in a text, let's say how are you. So মই এটো টেক্সটত চেক কৰি আছো how are you in this particular text. So what will happen, so এটো যোনটা আমাৰ টেক্সট হ'ব, so এটো কি হ'ব, how are you. So position বোৰ থাকিব each and every character. So এটো আমাৰ first, second, third, then space কাৰণে fourth, এটো কাৰণে fifth, sixth, seventh, then 8, then 9, then 10, and then you can 11 or it can have 12. Now it will check what we are searching. We are searching for r exactly. If it is there, yes, exactly r is there, right? Now exact r ase, so it ki return koribo, it r2 paisu ami, but it will return me the position of first char. Position of first char, what does that mean? A arrow jonto a ase, arrow a position to ki hoy within our text. So within our text r2 kot ase, a to r hoy, a to r or a position to ki hoy, a position is 5. So it will return me 5. So it will return me the position of the first char or the starting character of what we are searching. So we are searching r, arrow jonto first character or position hoy, that is 5th. So it will return me 5. So see example. So we are searching, finding the text, that is dot, where we are finding in this particular, and then I will close it. So 34. So our first dot I say, that is this one. So it will position to ki hoy 34. Same. Now again if I search for resides, find. Now what text we are searching, let's say if I give it resides, and where we are searching, here. So what it will do, it will return you an error. Although resides is there, but it will return you an error because yet আপোনালোকে যোনটো resides or r চাব এটো capital হয়, but we have given small. So make sure it's case sensitive. Find formula to case sensitive হয়, so আমাক এটো as it is দিব লাগিব যোনটোত আছে. So resides. So now it's giving me 36. So now if I compare dot position to কি আছিলে, আপোনালোকে যদি চাই dot position is 34. So dot position is 34. Next we have a space, that is 35, and tar pisot jonto r ase, that will be 36. So resides or r position ki hoy 36. So as you can see, find is returning the first position of what we are searching. Now let's say if we, okay, I have given 2 times resides, we can delete it. Now I'm searching for hyphen, okay, how. So pretty simple. So again আপোনালোকে যে try কৰি আছে, what I will suggest, please pause the video and once try it from your end before moving ahead তেতিয়া আপোনালোকৰ বস্তুটো ক্লিয়াৰ হৈ যাব try it already I have discussed find try it and then see the solution whether you are correct or not just pause and try because এবাৰ আপুনি সলিউশনটো পাই গলে তেতিয়া আপোনাৰ মাইন্ডত বহি যাব সলিউশনটো সো নেক্সট টাইম আপুনি যদি কৰিব যায় সেম ওয়েত ভাবিব so better try it once from your end and then see the solution whether it's correct or not even if you are not able to solve it then also see the solution so you will get it but at least try first and then see it okay so what we are finding hyphen within the text this text my bad within the text I have to apply comma this text and then I will close it so hyphen position to 23 so for all I will populate now before going here let me show you something so as I have told you like it takes 3 parameters right so first one is what to find where to find and the start position what does this start position means start position means corpora apni search to start koribo so I find ki koribo r to find kori asi yate but corpora search koribo so now so if I give let's say find r from how are you and if I give the position let's say 3 start position is 3 so ki hobo how are you junto ase amar how are you so position bor ki hobo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 so now what it will do it will start searching from third position so third position to amar ki hoy w so ইয়ার পরা start করিব search করা কি search করা r search করা so from here to here it will see so r ইয়াতে পাইছে so it will return me 5 now again same question if I give find r and I'm searching in let's say how are you but now let's say if I give it as 6 so কি হবো same thing hobo how are you 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 but now it will search from 6th position to amar ki hoy a r to hoy so a r or pora right side of sabo je koto ki ase r ase na so you can see r yata na goto that means it will return me hashtag value error that is it haven't find anything na yaar because আমি স্পেসিফাই কৰি আছো start position to কৰ পৰা হ'ব 6 ৰ পৰা search কৰিব লাগিব that's why now I have a question for you again pause the video and try the question is let's say I have a text are you doing great so it more text hoy now what I need to find the so question is find second r find the second r that means a r to কেনেকৈ আপোনালোকে find কৰিব এটো হল আপোনাৰ question again pause and try it from your end but still okay so I will show you the solution how to do it so what we will do we will first give find so what will happen if I give find r and then the normal text so what it will return me the position of the first r so first r position to give it will return me 1 2 3 4 5 so it will return me 5th but what we need second r that means from 6th we need to search from 6th যদি আমি search কৰো তেতিয়া আমি second r to পাম so 6 to কেনেকৈ পাই আছো this plus 1 will return me 6 that is first r to এৰি মেলি then search কৰা so the final formula will be find of r in the text and then again I will give find of r text plus 1 এতিয়া কেনেকৈ কাম কৰিব so as you can see this function find of r text এটো কি ৰিটাৰ্ণ কৰিব আমাক এটো আমাক 5 ৰিটাৰ্ণ কৰিব 5 ৰিটাৰ্ণ কৰিব so আমাৰ ফাইনাল ফৰ্মুলাটো কি হৈ যাব find of r in the text and then 5 plus 1 will be 6th so from 6th that means from 6 ইয়াৰ পৰা search করিব next r2 find r from 6 that means কোনটো পাবো আমাৰ এটো r পাবো so this is the solution so it is a solution for কোৱা হয় nested find so if you have done it correctly or if you find the solution then well and good but if you haven't then congrats like you have learned something new এটা নতুন বস্তু শিকিব পাইছা but please এটো মনত থৈ দিবা because it's important from your exam point of view now next is city starting যোনটো আমাৰ যেনেকে জি হয় গুৱাহাটীৰ কাৰণে জে ইজ ফৰ যোৰহাট টি ইজ ফৰ তেজপুৰ so এটো আমাক সার্চ কৰিব লাগে কেনেকে আমি সার্চ কৰিম again pause and try it from your end if you have or like if you didn't able to do it see the solution or if you have done it then well and good check your solution so city starting to কেনেকে পাব পাৰি so we know how we can find resides okay resides আমি কেনেকে find কৰিব পাৰি so find within the text this so what it will return me 36 that is the position of this now if we see this one আমাক কি লাগে city starting to লাগে so we have resides in let's say Guwahati we know the position of r is 36 position of r is 36 now we want the position of g so আমি কেনেকে পাব পাৰি so this string is constant for all এটো যোনটো টেক্সট আছে এটো কনস্ট্যান্ট হয় number of character is constant also so as you can see কেইটা character আছে this is 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 and this one will be my 47th character so এই দুটাৰ মাজত কেইটা character আছে 47 36 that will be of 11 characters so if I plus 11 to 36 it will return me the position of 47th text same so city starting will be everything plus 11 that will return me the 47 so for this it's 44 for this it's 45 for this it's 44 and so on now again name লাগে আমাক name to আমি কেনেকে পাব পাৰি same thing so let's say the question is a bit like not clear like name means so let's say number of characters in name number of characters in name nameot keita character ase hetu amak search koriba lage so how we can do so for that we have find in this text so আমি কি search korim so we'll search the first space code search korim a2 text so what it will return me 6 so first space to কি hobo so if we'll see the text is something like that let's say Rahul then we have space and then Sharma then space something like that okay so it's like mobile number okay mobile and so on so amak eto number of characters lage so if we find this space ami ki paisu so if I give find space and then text so it will return me the position of this space right so this space of position ki 1 2 3 4 5 6 so it will return me 6 So total number of characters কি হবো তার কে এক কম হবো, so 6 minus 1 will return me the 5. That I will get the total number of characters. Same, minus 1, that will return me 5. So 4 I will fill. Now mobile number starting to lage same, find what we are finding. So let's say number dash we are finding in the text this, so it will return me the position of n, then it will be 21 followed by O 22 and that's 23 and then it will be 24. That means 21 plus 3, that is 24. So another আপনাদেরকে গোটিব find করিব পারে, pretty easy. Now moving to the next one, that is mid. So mid কিও use করা হয়, so if I show you mid, so mid takes few parameters, that is text, start number and then number of characters. Now talking about mid কি লব, see mid is taking text, number, start number and number of character. What does this mean? So it takes text, start number followed by number of characters. So it মানে কি হয়, so let's say I have a text takes same hello how are you one, so it position bar কি হবো, if I write the position of all the characters it will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18, whatever character position it hobo. So now if I give mid, then it entire text, then let's say the start number is 7 and then number of character is 3. That means A2 text or pora from 7th position, starting from 7th position, give me 3 characters. So again I am repeating, from this text starting from 7th position give me 3 characters. So it text or 7th position to ki hoy amar 7th position is W. From this how many character I want, 3 characters including this 7th position, make sure including 7th position 3 characters. So 7 8 9, so 3 character or text to ki hoy H O W. This is my 7th, including 7 3 characters 7 8 and 9. So it will return me how. So same, if I give mid text, let's say from 2 I want 5 characters, from 2 5 characters 1 2 3 4 5, so it will return me O L L O then 1 space. So this is the functioning of mid. So এটা আমাক মোবাইল নাম্বার লাগে, so mobile number to এটা কেনেকে কব পারি, so first we have to find the position of the start character, right? So position of the start character আমি কেনেকে ওলাব পারি, so if I give position of start character, so mobile number starting last slide I am using find. So if you have remembered, so that I will use, so I will use find in this text, find text will be no dash within this text, and then what I will do, I will plus something. So no karone z junto ahibo, so let's say no karone ki mane ase 21, so it is something like that no dash 9, so it karone je 21 aise, so it will be 22, it will be 23 and this one will be 24. So 24 minus 21, that will be 3. So we need to plus 21 plus 3 to get starting position of mobile number. So I will do that. So it will be like plus 3. This will give me the starting position. It's a mobile number to lage amak. So I will use mid A2 text, comma, starting number is this, and then number of characters I want. So mobile number keta character thake 10 characters thake, so it will give me the mobile number. See, so I need to combine both of them. So combine keneke korim, say mid this text start number, so now I will give find then what we are searching, we are searching no dash within this text plus 3 and number of character I want 10, and it's done. So explaining the formula again, just giving you an example, like explaining what is happening. This is a lot complicated lage. Let's see. So let's say this one. So ইয়াতে কি হৈ আছে? First it will calculate this find. So as you know, this find will return 21, right? This find will return 21. So error position or error into position about 21 it will return. So the formula will be mid A3 21 plus 3 comma 10. That means mid A3 plus 3 korilu kyo to find the starting position of mobile number starting position karone ami to korisu. So starting position to kebo 24. So then 24 opora 10. That means in A3 text from 24 position give me next 10 characters. So mobile number keta character 10 character, so it will return me the mobile number. Again important mid formula 2, please make sure you understood this particular thing, both important exam point of view para. So it is done. Next question is find the city. That means for first I need to print Guwahati, from second I need to print Jorhat, from Tezpur and so on. Again important from your exam point of view, please try it from your end. Ever try kora. If you are able to do it, then it's pretty good, like you have understood everything that we have discussed so far. So pause the video, try it and then check the solution. So etu korar egalman solution ase. So we will see one by one. Okay, now so again, so to find the city, first we will find the starting position of the city. So let's say find in this text, sorry, what you are finding, same we have already done that, resides in this text. So it will give me the position of R, and if we add 11 to it, it will give me the position of starting character of the city. So 47. So if you see, if I apply mid, this is my text, then the start number is this, and let's say number of character I want is 1. So it will give me G. Guwahati is into starting to. This is the starting of Guwahati. Similarly K, Kokrajhar, G, Gwalpara, like that. But now number of characters we don't know. Number of characters I mean another kiman hobo. So if you give some random number instead of 1, let's say if I give a big number, let's say 25. So it will return me till end. See, it is returning me till end. It's returning me till end. But now we want to exclude the last 5. Now before going ahead, let me explain you a formula that you can use. Okay, so we will discuss that later. As of now, we will be using that we have learned so far, that is right and left. So right and left use korike I to solve kore. Now see what we can do. So it was a text apnalo kaisa, to text ki ase space ase. If you somehow find the space, then it's done. So we know how we can find the text. So we can find it using find text is space and then within the text this, and it's done. So it will give me the position of space. So position of space is this. So let's say considering this example, explaining the example, let's say if you have find this one up to this 7 8 something, right? So there is the text. Now in this text jodi ami kiba ke spacer position find karo. So if I give find space in this text. So what it will return? It will return me the position of space. So position of space ki hobo 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, let me make it clear. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So position of space is 9. 9. That means, what does this means? আগত কেইটা ক্যারেক্টার আছে? আগত টোটাল 8টা ক্যারেক্টার আছে। So স্পেসৰ আগত টোটাল 8টা ক্যারেক্টার আছে। So if we give mid, then this entire text, again in this entire text, and then if we apply starting position কারণে আমি কি করিম? Starting position will be our 1 only, sorry, starting position will be 1 only, and then if we apply number of characters, find of the space till text, so it will return me this 9, total 9 character. That means including space it will return. So we don't want space, so I will give -1. See the solution. So this giving me the position of first space. Now again if we apply mid, this text starting number should be 1 and the number of character I want this -1, so it will return me Guwahati. অলপ কমপ্লিকেটেড হয়, বাট প্লিজ ট্ৰাই ইট ফ্ৰম ইউৰ এণ্ড। এগেইন এবাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো চাব, চাই কেনে এবাৰ ট্ৰাই কৰিব। প্ৰিটি চিম্পল হয় এবাৰ যদি আপোনালোকে বুজি যায়। চি what I'm doing, combining everything. First mid this text. Now starting number should be, we will find resides within the text this, and then we'll plus 11, so it will return me the position of Guwahati. So you will see this will return me the position of Guwahati. Guwahati G2D ase, right? Again what we will do, so we will take a longer cap, that is 25. So complete text to hai jabo. Again ei complete text to ami mid logai dim. Again we will apply mid. This is my text, and then what we will do, starting position will be find space within the text, and then again we'll be enclosing this thing. Yeah, find space. Here it should be 1 and then space. See, Guwahati. So it will minus code, make sure you do it. Okay, my bad. Guwahati. So this is the final formula. Again explaining the formula, what it's doing. So it is simple way ase jeta ami land to hiki jam teta eto aro simple hoi jabo. Same question to that you need to try from your end, jonto moi example explain o korisilo, so that apnaloke complete video to saise excel or. Okay, so what it's doing, see so many maids and all, so apnaloke bhabibo ki hoi ase, but same bostu to ami repeat kori asu. If you see, same thing has been repeated twice. So this mid is doing nothing but returning Guwahati space 78, the pin code. This mid, same goes for this mid. This mid will return same thing, same bostu I double copy paste korchu sao, space 78 something. Then we are applying find and space. Eto space or position di dibo, eto space or position ki hoi jabo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. So it will, this entire find, this will return 9, and then we are doing -1. That means this entire thing will return me 8. This entire thing will return me 8. So that eto ki hoi jabo, formula thik hoi jabo, mid on mid ase, then this text is returning me Guwahati 78 and so on. starting number is from 1, number of character I want is 9 minus 1 is 8, so it will be 8. So starting 1 opera 8 character, 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, that is Guwahati, so it will return me Guwahati, and we are done. So it explanation asile midor ever try karibo from your end if you are able to do it or not. Now moving into the next thing, that is concate. Concate আমি use কৰো text দুটা text জুড়িবলৈ. So let's see what I mean, like to combine both the text. So let's see if I have something. Next thing is concate. Concate আমি use কৰো to combine two text. What does that mean? So let's see. So let's say I have a text ABC and another text as XYZ. Now if I want to combine both the text, so I can use concate. So this will be my text 1 followed by this will be my text 2. Now if I give, so I can combine both of them. Now let's say I want to get the mobile number I can get power party, so you know, so I can give mid, then the text, then the starting number of mobile number, so it will be find. Let's say I will give 9 within the text. This number of character I want is 10, so it will return me the mobile number. So mobile number I pass. So now I need to update the mobile number. How I need to update? So it should be like, let's say 987, then I need to add a dash, then 654 dash 3210 এনেদৰে কৰিব লাগিব আমাক এইটো আমাক এনেদৰে কৰিব লাগিব. So how we can do so? So first we need to come up with something that first 3 character লাগে, then next 3 and then next 4. So let's see the formulas first. So yet our first 3, so we know how to get the first 3. Left side of our first 3, that means I will use left, then this text, and then number of character will be 3. First 3, then mid 3 we know how, mid, then text, starting number should be 4 opera ma keta lage 3 mid 3, and then last 4. So right side opera saita, pretty simple, right text, number of character is 4. Same thing we have to combine. So concate text 1 comma, we have to give dash text comma text 2 comma, then we have to use dash comma text 3. So as you can see, mobile number has been updated. So combining everything, so combine আপোনালোকে কৰি ল'ব পাৰিব. So I will not drag it too much. So C2 জায়গাত আপোনালোকে এইটো ফৰ্মুলা পুট কৰি দিব, same goes for D2 জায়গাত আপোনালোকে এইটো ফৰ্মুলা, and again আপোনাৰ E2 জায়গাত এইটো ফৰ্মুলা পুট কৰি দিব. So I will fill it, and now I will fill the updated mobile number. So as you can see, updated mobile number to ahi gise. Now in the group someone has asked like how I can show the mobile number as, let's say 987 and followed by XXX, right? So keta x over hatta x. Now you know how to do it. Concate, then the text. So starting 3 number lage amak, so left mobile number opera 3 number ame loilom, right? And then we will 8 2 3 4 5 6 7 and we are done. Now you can see mobile number is like that. So rest characters are hidden. So there is your concate. Next thing we have text join. So etu ki kore duta text আমি combine কৰিব পাৰি, but it's a bit different than concate. So what will happen if I give, let's say concate, and if I give the entire text, now what it will happen? So text to combine koribo, but as you can see there is no delimiter, like কোনো space নাই, comma নাই, nothing নাই. So if you want that, like if you want to combine two text but with some delimiter, like let's say if you want space between them, if you want comma between them, that you can do with the help of text join. That is not available in concat. So text join, then time kirim delimiter, let's say space followed by ignore empty cell. Yes, I will ignore the empty cell. Now I need to specify the text. So as you can see, all the text are being joined but with space in it. So अपन लोग change करो if you want comma in place of space, that also you can do. So comma, yes, comma. So you can change it according to the question need. So it होगा अपना text join. Now replace and substitute. Let's say if you want to replace something, so replace something, so it will be like replace. Now replace taking few parameters. Old text माने कुंटुक replace करियो बिचारे अपने. So let's say I want to replace resides sorry, my bad. Old text will be this one. Now the starting number, এটা starting number আমার কি হতে বলিব জর পর আপনি এটো replace করব বিচার. Let's say I want to replace the resides or starting number টো আমি কেনেকে পাম using find text. It will be resides within this text. So it will give me the starting position of resides or r, the number of characters, keita characters থাকিব তাতে. So resides যদি আপোনালোকে চাই r e, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 8টা character আমাক আতৰাব লাগে. So 7 characters and then the new text. Hey, 7 characters of that, what we want let's say lives, and then we are done. So as you can see, ইয়াতে resides or জায়গাত কি আহি গৈছে lives আহি গৈছে. So again explaining you the formula. Explaining you the formula কি হৈ আছে ইয়াতে simple. So আমাৰ টেক্সটো আছিলে entire টেক্সটো আছিলে complete টেক্সটো আছিলে. So first resides replace কি কৰিব আপোনাৰ few parameter ল'ব. complete text, এটো আমাৰ complete text হয়. then the starting position, number of characters, and what we need to replace. So let's say how are you doing আছে. so এটো টেক্সটত position বোৰ কি হ'ব আমাৰ 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. Now if I give replace, then it would text amar, then position dilu let's say from 5, total tinita character, and what we need to give, let's say xyz for example. So ite ki koribo replace ki koribo eto text ot jabo, then it will go to the fifth position ot abar ki ase ইয়াতে. then fifth position পৰা কেইটা character, তিনিটা character আঁতৰাই দিব, এই তিনিটা character আঁতৰাই দিব, and then here it will put xyz. So the final one will be how xyz you doing. So if I change it, let's say if I change it to something, replace text, let's say from fifth position, number of characters I will delete, let's say 7, and I will put let's say xyz. So what it will do, same thing. So same thing, our text to give how are you doing. So the indexes are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18. So to fifth position of jabo, total 7 character it will replace, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So to completely atorai ki bahai dibo xyz. So our final text hobo how xyz doing. So this is how replace is working. Hopefully you have understood it. Now apart from this replace, we have something called as substitute. It अलग easy हो जाए as compared to replace. So substitute dot की लोगो अपना complete text to लोगो, then it will take the old text. Let's say I will give resides and the new text is lives. So it will directly change it. So directly resides to live logo substitute कर दो. So here we don't need to mention any number, starting, ending, number of character, anything we don't need to mention. Directly we can do it. So this is how it works. Next thing, few other parameters are there, that is len. So len ki koribo apna number of characters show koribo. So if I give len and then the entire text, so it will return me the number of character in it. So let's see if I have something called as hello. So yate keta character ase pasta ami kene ke pari len of this, so it will return me 5. Then we have repeat. So let's say if we want to repeat something, so if I give I repeat and then the text and the number of times I want to repeat, so let's say 5. So क्या वो hello to 5 बार repeat हो, see hello 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 5 times. Okay, then exact is there. Exact is used to match two things. Let's say hello, hi, hello, let it be. So delete it. So if I compare it exact, so it will take two text, text 1 and text 2, it will compare se duta ekke hoy na nahi, so it's returning false. That means duta ekke no hai. But what if it was hello and hello? Exact text 1 comma text 2, so it will return true because duta ekke hoy. Then again search is kind of similar to find. So if you ever remember search, find text is, let's say if I am finding comma within this text, sorry, not comma, full stop, within this text, it will return me the position of full stop. So it's pretty much similar to what find does. The next thing is number value function. Let's say if I take mobile number over here, so giving an example, let's say if I have 1 2 3 4 5 6, I'll make it as 10. So it over number আছে. So আপনাদের সবার number বার এক্সেলত কি হয় by default right align থাকে. Number বার by default right align, whereas text বা general বার left align থাকে. তার number বার যদি মই সিলেক্ট কৰো তেটা আপোনালোকে ইয়াতে কি চাব by default ই দি আছে average কিমান হয় এইটা number count total number of 6 আছে, total sum কিমান হয় 70 দি আছে. কিয় দি আছে? Because it's a number. But if I change it to text, let's say not like that, just giving an example. Okay, let's say okay, for example यहाँ पर मैं pin code लो so not mobile number, let me consider pin code. Pretty easy हो जाए बोटे त्या. So pin code to the मैं लो, let's say right, then this number and the number of character will be, let's say 6. So sota character लो so now it will return me the pin codes. But now if I select everything, although it's a number, আমি কি পাই আছো count পাই আছো only, number of cells পাই আছো আমি ইয়াতে sum average এবোৰ পোৱা নাই, whereas in number of ক্ষেত্ৰত আমি কি পাই আছো sum আৰু average পাই আছো. see ইয়াতে আমি sum আৰু average একো পোৱা নাই, even this is left align. So that means excel এটোক number হিচাপে treat কৰা নাই. Now if I want it to be treated like a number, so for that we have a method called as number value. So we want to give it into number value. Now if I give, so as you can see it automatically right aligned हो गया. That means excel will consider or treat it as a number. So it is how अपना लगे या तो average पाए सो, count पाए सो, sum पाए सो, like how we were getting over here. So this is your number value function. Now moving to the next one, that is text to column. Pretty important, pretty useful in your day-to-day life যদি আপনারা এক্সেলত কাম করে. That means এটা আমার text আছে. Now I want it to be in a column. Let's say based on space I want to convert it into a column. So how we can do so? So I will select it, I will go to my data, then there you will see an option text to column. Click here, then delimiter. So it is separated, or like I want the columns based on space, so I will choose space and I will hit next, and then I will hit finish. So as you can see, everything is in new line or in new column. So again this is one. Another option is there. So with fixed আপনাকে width to fix করাবো পারে. So let's say first break I want here, second break I want here, and the third break I want here. Now if I give next and then if I give finish, so as you can see যোনটো আমি চুজ কৰিছো সেইটো বেচিছত এইটো ব্রেক কৰি দেব. So this is your text to column function. So we have discussed everything, like the important text functions. So hopefully you have understood. If you have learned something new, please do let us know. If you have like missed out something, then also you can comment out. Definitely I will try to correct that thing, or I will try to explain it in better way. And also if you have enjoyed, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.